I run 5 YouTube channels at the same time. Pain science, personal finance, 3D printing, ambient videos you fall asleep to, and this one, where I tell you about myself and how the other 4 get made. And when people find that out, they always ask the same thing: who's your team? Here's the team. A guy in a wheelchair sometimes, ambulatory wheelchair user, his wife, a stack of AI tools, and whatever family member happens to be free that day. That's it. That's the whole studio. No staff, no office, no film crew. Just us and a system held together with spreadsheets, stubbornness, and an unreasonable number of browser tabs. So this is the present tense story of the niches. How a whole network actually gets built right now by a handicapped creator and people who show up for him. No empire, no excuses, just a machine. Let me show you the machine. This is the meta layer, eh? Canadian. The channel about other channels. The one where the curtain comes down. Here's the honest part most creators won't tell you. When you see someone running a lot of content, your brain assumes 2 things. You're insanely talented, or you're grinding yourself to dust. Genius or hustle. It's neither. It's a system. Talent you can't copy. Hustle burns you out. But a system you can just build. So here's how 5 channels get made. 4 pieces. Piece 1. I stopped treating every video as a fresh start. Most creators wake up, stare at a blank page, panic, and reinvent everything from scratch every time. That doesn't scale past 1 channel, so every channel runs on the same assembly line. Idea, script, film, edit, and package, and then publish. Same stations every time. I save the creativity for the content, not the process. Piece 2. Bashing. I don't film just 1 video. I sit down once, the lights are set, the backdrop's loaded, and I shoot several different channels same session. You're watching one of them right now. There were others made the same afternoon. Setting it up is hard, especially for me. So I only pay that cost once. Piece 3. Nothing gets made just once. Every long form video gets cut into short clips. The best 30 seconds, the sharpest line, those go to shorts, reels, and TikToks. One shoot becomes a long form video of the week and a short form. The short stuff catches strangers. The long stuff turns them into audience. I'm not making more content. I'm making the same content work harder. Piece 4. The crew is the software. The work that used to need a room full of people, tools do the heavy lifting. AI helps me rough out scripts. I generate B-roll instead of filming every shot. Tools score my titles and thumbnails before I post, so I'm not guessing. Other tools handle SEO and email. The job that used to take a team now takes 1 person who knows which button to push. Now let me tell you why the team is the team. Because this part isn't an accident. People hear a guy, his wife, AI, and a family, and they think it's a workaround. Like I'd hire a real crew if only I could. No, this is the design. Here's what I figured out. The lie they sell creators is that you do it alone. Solo grind, self-made, 1 person, white knuckling it to the top. And for someone in my position, that lie isn't wrong. It's a wall. If the only way up is doing everything yourself, then a lot of us don't get to play at all. So I threw the lie out. I don't build alone, I'm the architect. I hold the vision, I sit in the chair, I make the call on what we're saying and why. But the village builds it. My wife is not help, she's a department, a production, camera, and the honest critic that I trust. The only honest critic that I trust. The AI is not a gimmick. It's the crew, the editors and the assistants, and the researchers I could never afford, never try out. And the family fills the gap because that's what family's for. And because every one of them has a skill, I don't. The secret nobody puts on a hustle poster. Real research is one person doing everything. It's one person who knows what to keep and what to hand off. The architect draws it, the village raises it. So when I say we, I mean it. It was never just me. And the day I admitted I couldn't do it alone and build a team out of people and tools I actually had is the day 5 channels became possible instead of insane. You don't need to be everything. You need to know your one thing and then surround it with the village. I mapped the whole thing out in a free 1-page blueprint, the exact system of the 5 channels run on. If you're trying to build more than one thing without breaking yourself doing it, that's the shortcut. It's in the description. And if you want to see how all this started, the very first channel, before any of this existed, that story's right here. This is the meta layer, eh? The machine's running. Back to it.